And we are in front of a new road camper air from Possl based on the Fiat Ducato chassis. And this is something that we have to keep in mind. It's a Roadcamp R based on the shorter chassis 540 with a starting price of 52,999 and final price of 62,929. Well, these are all the specs and features included in this new road camper with the towering fridge right up here, so it's pretty great and deep dometic fridge. But entering inside we have a pretty large entrance for a 540, and this is standard Fiat Ducato chassis with manual transmission. We are keeping this part here, so this looks like pretty good and decent amount of storage. And well, on the upper part we have the bedded situation for the actual pop-up roof, pretty standard wide long roof. And then we have this sitting bench situation, pretty wide, yes, because they are narrowing the bed on that part, and also there is that shower entering the space for the kitchen, giving much more space to sit, just like a 6-meter van. And well, this design always looks great with 1, 2, 3 cabinets and well, double burner stove with sink. There is a small kitchen part cabinet right up there, and there are 3 cabinets for the actual bedding situation. But if we slide that on this part, we are getting a pretty good amount of sitting area for your Thetford cassette toilet, and then you get this drop down situation for washing your teeth and doing your stuff, and additional cabinet right up there. This is a great design because it gives you a pretty big shower unit in the 540 van. And then on the back we have this slightly smaller bedding situation, looking at about 1.3 on the widest part and about 1.2 on the lower part, with actual 1.942 on the longest part. So it's a pretty smaller bed situation, but for 2 people it should be good. And well, going out and checking also the back garage compartment, we can see that it's a pretty great, reasonable space with approximately 1.2 on the longest part, but if we measure it from here it will be 1.3, and on the larger part we are going about 0.9 with a height of about 0.79, and this is actually the storage for the 2 gas bottles. Well, not bad at all. And closing up and finishing the Roadcamp R review for the 2026 year.